Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Lashana. This is Shana in the City, and it's my birthday. It's my birthday. You know how you want to dance, you really want to get ratchet, but you know you cute or whatever, so you can't really get ratchet how you want to get, because your clothes might unbutton and lift up and all that stuff. So you gotta get ratchet. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Nah, but it's really not even my birthday no more. My birthday passed already. It was last week, but I'm still celebrating because it's still big Aquarius energy, okay? Today I'm coming to you because I figured, you know, let me let y'all in on these gifts. So I got some great things for my birthday. This is actually my second time recording this video. So this stuff has already been opened because of the last time. Nonetheless, you ain't seen it, so let's get into it. If you're new, I'm Lashana. This is Shana in the City, and on this channel we cover all of life's little luxuries. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, join the community, and let me know your thoughts below on these items that I get. What's your luxury? Like, what is your thing? I'm a food luxury girl. I'm also like a handbag and like tangible things too, but I really love food. That's my struggle right now, because I gotta fight that demon, because them carbs be calling me like no other. Anyway, let's get into it. First of all, aside, these are just a few things. I guess these are like the more expensive things, but I want to make sure that I mention the most important thing that I got was an abundance, an overwhelming amount of love. People that genuinely love me. And I know for some people, they don't have that. So I just want to make sure I recognize that. Like, I got some genuine love, essentially priceless. But anyway, let's get into these things that do have a price, okay? So first, I got this. Better than Lashana here, and hold up. We not gonna just skip over my actual birthday like it wasn't my actual birthday and just get into the gifts. Like, we gonna get into these gifts, but let me take it back for a minute so I can show y'all what I actually did on my birthday. It was very, very chill because that's how I wanted it, but it was also lit, okay, because it was my birthday. So I'm gonna call it chill. I'm gonna take y'all back just for a second. Let's go back, then we're gonna get back into these gifts, because the gifts is the gifts, but the love was the love, and the day was the day, and we can't act like it wasn't, right? Okay, let's go back, and then we're gonna get back to it. Give me 1 second. Okay, y'all, so boom, first thing first, I had to get my son off to school, but after that, it was all about me. No, I was just playing. I made me a bomb-ass cup of coffee. I think it was an easy yall. I do not really remember the coffee flavor, but I remember how it made me feel, and it was so fire. Then I had the in-house massage schedule. When I tell y'all, this lady got them hands, baby, she gives the best massages I've ever had, and you don't even gotta leave your house. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about catch a vibe right in your living room, okay? What's better? So after that, I really wanted to take a nap, but I already had a wax schedule, because like, what's the day of pampering without getting a wax? It was my first time at Sugar in NYC. I'd definitely be going back. It was so cute in there, and my sugarist was so efficient, and she was just like super on point. She had a great personality, and she was very fast. So, you know, I'm not gonna say that the sugar wax didn't hurt, because the damn show did, but it wasn't as intense as the traditional. Then I had to stop at Starbucks to get my birthday treat, because you know if you don't go get it on your birthday, they not letting it roll over. Got that and was running late to the nail shop, but I made it, and yes, nail slay, okay? It's not exactly what I wanted, because he act like he got a damn photographic memory. Like, I show him the picture for 2 seconds and he like, okay. And then, I mean, I guess he do get somewhat of a photographic memory, but I wanted to pull the picture back out like, look again. Happy birthday to me. Made it home, had some champagne, let him peep that wax. I never wore it, but I had it for a long time. So since early last year, but I didn't return it because I knew it was super cute. And when my birthday came, I was like, I think I'm gonna wear that. And then I just found these boots from Nordstrom. Got dressed for dinner and was running late per usual, but made it to the restaurant. And y'all, when I tell y'all, this was literally the worst restaurant that I've been to in a long time. I'm usually great at picking out restaurants. I'm not sure how this restaurant got such high reviews online, but I swear to God, it was like I was being catfished. I thought Cameron Cruz was coming out. I promise you, it was like I was stuck in a nightmare while I was at a tacky ass restaurant for my birthday. It was definitely not giving. Hey y'all, so real quick, I wanted to come on because as you know, it's my birthday. I just got a surprise delivery. I got flowers. I don't know who it's from. I'm pretty sure I know who it's from, but he swear it ain't him, so we about to open it and see. I already have 3 vases with flowers around my house, so I guess everybody know I love flowers. The next day, I got a flower delivery that I had missed the day before. And what girl don't like flower deliveries? I got back home. My man had this on the table waiting for me. Yes, it was a day late. No, it was Prada fault. So I'm not even going to hold him to it. But, you know, next thing he got to be a little bit more like, don't wait until the week before to order my gift, okay? Then I had went out with my girls. You know, we went to one of my favorite restaurants. I'm talking about the food is so good there. Y'all see them little hard potatoes? It was so cute. The vibe is just so amazing. I'm going to take y'all one day. We had to go out for drink. You see this drink, now I ain't gonna say they strong and they gonna get you wasted. But I also do not want to be putting on no extra calories just drinking no sweet drinks. Now put a little liquor in this juice. And what's a birthday without having a cake? Like, how cute is this cake? It was a banana split cake and it literally looked just like a banana split. Yeah, now that y'all caught up, let's get into these gifts. Now this, you know, when you get one of these black bags, it's just always so exciting. For me, at least. My daughter bought me this. They got some great packaging. I hear that Dior has really great packaging. I don't know. I don't have anything from Dior, but I think I might be experiencing this soon. I don't know. I got one thing on my list. I don't know though, because it ain't that far up on the list. And I ain't going to buy nothing just for no damn packaging. I mean, that's a part of the experience, but the product got to be the product, okay? It comes in this black box, of course, with the black packaging, you know, with the black sticker, and it came in this black, really cute dust bag. How cute is this dust bag? And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is so beautiful. It has the Saint Laurent embossed in it, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's in this gold color. Now this one comes in 3 colors. It comes in silver, gold, and black. I really do actually like the black one too. It's a little bit more understated, which I like that. But then it's like, it's a Saint Laurent mug. Who want to be understated? Like, you know, like you see, okay, I'm drinking my tea. I'm drinking my tea. You sip this tea. Really, really gorgeous. I love it. It's small. It's definitely smaller than I anticipated. It's probably about a 12 ounce. Probably holds something like 12 ounces or something like that. So this thermos is going to be used. I got a little bit of right now, like my throat is a little sore, so I think I might make some tea in it. Yes. But anyway, moving on. I got this Byredo Gypsy water. Got this, and I wanted this, but you know how like you have a list and you want this, but it's some stuff that come before this. So I'm considering returning this and get something else. Look, I'm infamous for taking my gifts back, baby. If I don't want it and there's something else on the list a little bit further up, then what's the problem? Your money already been spent. So I mean, I do like people put thought into my gifts, but yeah, so I don't know. I might be keeping this, I might be returning it, I don't know. But I did get the Byredo Gypsy water. I haven't opened it because, you know, Nina's first time policy. I ain't even open it. I ain't gonna play with them. I got something from Prada. It was all cute or whatever. I ain't gonna lie though, I ain't got nothing on Saint Laurent packaging. But you know, see my box already falling apart. Whatever. I love the gifts though. So it came in, you know, the tissue paper. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, you be listening to me. Because I said I need the everyday bag. He thought he did it too. He don't usually like to, like, this is the first time he's ever went out and bought me a bag. Usually, like, I tell him what I want, he give me the money, that's how we do it or something like that. He's never like gone out on his own and ordered or bought it. So although I kind of wanted to take it back, I was like, you know what, this was so thoughtful of him, and it's a really nice bag. I really love that you can do the top hat, the shoulder, and the crossbody with this, because I am a crossbody girl. But and I did want something with silver hardware. I really kind of want a puzzle bag though, so I was like, ooh. But nonetheless, I'm gonna count him to keep this because it was so thoughtful. And I hear that I don't have any Prada bags, but I hear that the nylon is like tough as nails. Okay, Gorilla Glue tough. So I am going to be rocking this. This is gonna be my new everyday bag. I'm super excited about that. More importantly, I'm excited that my baby was like, let me get my baby something. Let me get her something that she thought I ain't hear her say. I love that for me. Okay, if you ain't got your no man, get you one. If you ain't got no good one, switch the one that you got out for a good one. Okay. The more times I look at it, the more I'm like, I really do like this. So I got the Prada re-edition. The Prada re-edition 2005. Okay, now lastly, this is what I got myself, because baby, let me tell you something. If you ain't getting yourself nothing for your birthday, I don't care if it's flowers, a card, a nice meal, whatever it is, you have to treat yourself. The thing is, like, people show up for me and buy me stuff like this because this is how I show up for me. I ain't playing about me. I'm gonna spoil me. I have been wanting these for a while now, and I found them on Italist. Now, this is my first time shopping on Italist. I'm not sure that I would do it again. Let me know in the comments below if you want a review or like details on or information on shopping on Italist. But I will say this: if you have to return it for whatever reason, you might not want to. Like, it might just be too much of a hassle. So nonetheless, I love the product. So this is the authenticity card. I'm also going to be taking them to St. Laurent to authenticate them myself. Okay, I don't have to suit Italist ass. But I got these gorgeous Saint Laurent loafers, and they are in the, I got them in the cream color because I just wanted like some everyday, like chill, cool, calm, collected, stylish loafers. I feel like, you know, first of all, I'm 36 and I got a man. I don't gotta wear heels every day. And I'm not saying that if you don't got a man, you gotta wear heels every day, or if you do got a man, you know, don't need to wear heels sometimes to dress cute. But that's just not my vibe. Right now, I'm just like, I wore heels a lot in my 20s and I'm sad. Like, I don't want to do it. I want to be cute, and I ain't trying to impress nobody but me and him, and really not him, really more me. Kidding, I am, but not really. But nah, I'm really just, I'm comfortable with me, so I don't want to torture myself. So I wanted some nice loafers. I do have a couple of, I got Ferragamo, I got some Gucci loafers. I don't wear Gucci no more really, so ever since, you know, the thing years ago. Yeah, I ain't forget. Okay, I'm one of them. I really, really love the style of these, and I love the look of them. I just thought this was super cute right here with the YSL. They are exceptionally well made. The leather just smells so good. Like, it hit for me. But when I saw these, they also have these in black. They have them in this gorgeous tortoise, gorgeous. Like, I want them so bad, but I'm trying not to like be extra, which is very hard for me because I am extra. And I'm like, let me see how I wear these first before I go buy them in another color. But I really, really, really like them in that patent leather tortoise. If you haven't seen them, check them out. They fire. I ain't gonna lie. And if you got them, let me know. Oh, they're so pretty. Yes, I got these for myself for my birthday, and I'm super grateful. I'm more grateful about all of the love and support I have more than anything. You know, I look back over my life and I'm like, it could have went a number of ways. Like, started off extremely rough, but I'm so grateful to God. I'm grateful to be in the presence of God and wrapped in his blessing, and he has blessed me tremendously, and more to come. Okay, the blessings don't stop because the vision is so big you don't even understand, and what you want also wants you. Whatever you're looking for, whatever you think you can have, that's God put that in your heart for a reason, because that's yours. You just have to be patient. You have to go out there, you got to do the work, you gotta make the right moves, and you gotta have the right heart. So anyway, I thank y'all so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. Like, if you have any of these items, what's your thoughts on them? Like, let me know if I need to be taking anything back, and before I take any tags off. I thank you so much for tuning in, and until we meet again, I hope you have a good day. Y'all, my niggas ain't been ashy this whole time, have they? I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good week, and let's have a great life.